Want to go for a car ride? You want to go for a car ride? Do you want to go out? Go for a bike trot? Go for a bike trot? Yes. You raise your paw? Good girl. Such a good girl. Raise the other one now. Raise your right paw. Such a clever dog. Are you a good girl? Where's your monkey? Can you get me a monkey? Where's the monkey? Go get me a monkey. Get me a monkey. Bring me a monkey. Where's the monkey? Bring it. Oh, I know there's a monkey up there because you want to chew his eyes out. You already chewed his nose off. Get me a monkey. Where's a monkey? Bring me a monkey. Bring me a monkey. Monkey? Give me a monkey. No monkey? Squeaky toy? What can you bring me? Nothing? Aww. Raise your paw. Lift your paw up. Raise your paw. No raise paw? Like this, look. Look. Copy that. So good. Copy that. Oh, you're so smart. Okay, bye-bye.